Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog foods with grain that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the IAMS Proactive Health Adult MiniChunks. Good quality dog food often means a hefty price tag, but that's not the case with this nutritious kibble with grain. While this definitely is not a cheap line, it is one of the most affordable on this list and excellent value for the quality. The first ingredient in this recipe is chicken, and it is great to see a named meat as the first ingredient in a dry kibble. The meat content of this dish is then topped up with chicken fat, which is a healthy additive, as dogs need about 10% of their daily calories from fats, and also some chicken byproduct meal, which is not great to see, but acceptable considering the quality of the other meat ingredients. For grains, this recipe uses whole grain corn and whole grain sorghum, both of which are nutritious and highly digestible for dogs. It also contains dried beet pulp, which is also perfectly good for dogs. But combined, these ingredients do mean that we are looking at a pretty high carbohydrate content, at the top end of what is acceptable in quality dog foods. This recipe is then topped up with a very comprehensive nutrient pack, which means that your dog should not be missing out on any of the important things they need with this as a diet staple. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Purina SmartBlend Chicken and Rice Adult Formula. It starts with chicken as its first ingredient, so we know that the recipe starts with a good quality meat-based protein. The meat is topped up with beef fat, which is a great healthy addition, and chicken byproduct meal, which is acceptable considering the other meat content of this dish, but not ideal. For grains, we see rice flour, corn gluten meal, whole grain corn, whole grain wheat, and soybean meal. So again, this is a very carbohydrate-heavy recipe, and at the top end of what we like to see in food for dogs. The corn gluten meal might be a red flag for some dog owners who are familiar with the issues associated with gluten, but most dogs don't have a problem with gluten. I would be more worried about the soybean meal, which can cause a little bit of flatulence. Smelly. Again, this food has a very comprehensive nutrient pack, which is like a multivitamin for your dog and contains pretty much all the good stuff they need. The one ingredient I didn't like to see pretty high up on the list is salt. Excessive sodium can be toxic to dogs, so it is not great to see a lot of it in their food. At number 3, we have the Holistic Select Adult Health Chicken Meal and Brown Rice recipe. While this recipe may start with chicken meal as its first ingredient, this is quite common for dry kibbles, and it is reassuring to see that there are no animal byproducts in this recipe. The animal-based protein in this bag comes from chicken meal, pork meal, and chicken fat. For grain, we are looking at brown rice, oatmeal, and oats. This is a combination of grains that I like because they are all foods that I understand and I am happy to put on my own plate. While dogs and humans don't have the same dietary needs, that doesn't mean that there isn't any crossover, and in general, the grains that are good for me are also good for my dog. As well as containing one of the most comprehensive nutrient packs I've seen, there are a few other standout ingredients. The recipe contains some fresh fruits and vegetables, such as cranberries and papayas, which are superfoods for dogs as well as humans. There is also a nice dollop of salmon oil, which is a great source of both fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which means a healthy and shiny coat, among other things. It also contains added microorganisms to help with digestion, especially of protein. At number 2, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Adult Chicken and Brown Rice recipe. Blue Buffalo is one of the most trusted dog food brands on the market, and this recipe reminds us why. It starts with deboned chicken as its first ingredient, topping up the protein content of the recipe with chicken meal as its second ingredient, and also added chicken fat. No animal byproducts are used by this company. For grains, we see brown rice, barley, and oatmeal, all of which are recognizable ingredients that we would be happy to see on our own plates. This is a good indication that they are the right kinds of grain to be feeding our canine friends. The balance of grains to proteins in this recipe result in a high-protein recipe that is ideal for dogs. The nutrient pack is again very comprehensive and includes added probiotics to aid digestion. The only red flags here really are again a relatively high amount of added salt and the price tag, not as expensive as the previous food, but still pretty heavy on the wallet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wellness Complete Health Adult Deboned Chicken and Oatmeal recipe. Wellness Complete offers another fantastic recipe that mixes high-quality meats with highly digestible grains. Deboned chicken is the first ingredient in this recipe, followed immediately by chicken meal, and then added chicken fat. The result is a food that is high in the rich animal-based protein that dogs need as their primary source of energy. For grains, we see oatmeal, ground barley, peas, and brown rice. All of these ingredients should be full of the nutrients that dogs should be getting from grains and should be easy for them to digest. The fiber should also mean that they have no problem digesting the proteins in this recipe. The recipe then adds a selection of fruits and vegetables, as well as a nice nutrient pack, to ensure that your dog is getting all the nutrients that they need to thrive with every bowl. The big red flag on this ingredient list is garlic powder. Garlic is part of the onion family, and onions and garlic are toxic to dogs. There is probably not enough garlic here to be overly concerned, but there is just no reason that it should be added to a dog food recipe. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.